Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, service cover, SATA drive, wireless module, hard disk drive, base enclosure, display panel assembly, display bezel, hinge caps, hinge covers, display panel hinges, and display panel. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the webcam and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the webcam cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Remove the two 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge bracket to the display enclosure. Remove the left display panel hinge bracket from the alignment pins and tabs on the display enclosure and remove. The right display panel hinge bracket is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Place the left display panel hinge bracket onto the alignment pins and tabs on the display enclosure. Replace the two 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge bracket to the display enclosure. Route the webcam cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure. The right display panel hinge bracket is replaced in the same manner.